Alright, I know that's always a dramatic entrance coming in. This is Crypto209 coming back at you with an updated live stream for the cryptocurrency markets. Now, yesterday I left off with Doge Democracy. Last night we were having a pretty nice run up for Dogecoin. We were just around, I believe, 33 cents. So for Dogecoin to be trading currently at 39 cents, right below at 38.4, Dogecoin is having a nice run up back to 40 cents. This is the perfect area for Dogecoin to blast off into outer space. Bitcoin is having a slight pullback right behind $57,000, but the crypto markets are still looking very, very nice, as the run-up we're having for Dogecoin just does not seem as though Dogecoin is going to come down. It's looking very, very nice for Dogecoin. I do think this is in part of the anticipation of Elon Musk coming on this Saturday for SNL, but just the mass anticipation of how far Dogecoin can go really is what is pushing up the price for Dogecoin. So next price points we have to break through is, of course, 40 cents. After 40 cents, we are looking for the price point of 42 to 43 cents for Dogecoin. With the amount of buying pressure that we have been having, there are usually corrections. With my experience being in Dogecoin for quite some time now, we usually have pullbacks and then a nice couple days, maybe a week of consolidation, and then we shoot back up to that previous price point. But at the moment, Dogecoin right below 39 cents is looking very, very bullish. I do think this is in part of the Bitcoin dominance decreasing by a lot, and all of that money is just going into altcoins, particularly Dogecoin, as we can see that Dogecoin is still ranked number 6 out of many, many other competitors. So for Dogecoin to be ranked number 6 cryptocurrency is definitely a huge step from where we currently were. I definitely think pushing through 40 cents for Dogecoin doesn't look too difficult, as 35 and 36 were the areas that we were looking out for, and Dogecoin did not have too much resistance pushing up that high. Now, I do still want to urge those new to cryptocurrency and new to investing that for a cryptocurrency to have such a nice run up in price value, we are going to have a nice pullback and correction moment. So you will have a correction moment for your cryptocurrency after it is pushing up a very high in price value. That is due in part because of people taking profits, and that increases the circulating supply of that particular token. So for Dogecoin, for the past week, if you have been following the charts at least 1 week, or the price movement of Dogecoin, it has been very, very steady. and we have not had a full pullback from such a high price point. We have went from all the way down from 20. That was when we were at around 27 cents for Dogecoin. We had the spike up from 24 up to 27 cents, and we really didn't have too much resistance stopping us from the 24 to 27 range, and then we made it up to the 30-cent floor. So we're in that high region of right below 40 cents. So for us to have a pullback back down to possibly around 32 cents is still very, very possible, as cryptocurrencies do have, well, not even cryptocurrencies, especially altcoins, they have much larger corrections than that of Bitcoin. Bitcoin does have corrections, but it's maybe a few hundred up to a few $1,000s. Bitcoin has gotten a lot more stable with a lot of people holding Bitcoin. So altcoins do have much more of a correction. So you do have to keep that in mind. I am still looking for a nice entry point on Dogecoin around 32 to 31 cents as a nice pullback area and a dip buying opportunity. So definitely do not swing trade Dogecoin, because for those who did sell, you are going to have to be very, very patient and wait for that pullback to actually happen. And I think the anticipation leading up to SNL on Saturday with Elon Musk is really when we're going to have that pullback. So I really think Dogecoin is going to make at least 45 to 46 cents, if not pushing up to the all-time high of 48 cents. I think just leading up to SNL on Saturday, we are going to have a really nice correction for Dogecoin. So finding a nice entry point and watching out for that is very, very important, as Dogecoin has been showing out. It has been showing out still in one of the top cryptocurrencies out of many, many other competitors. So Dogecoin, with a market cap of just under $50 billion, right behind Tether. So right behind Tether, I think Tether is still at $52 billion. I actually was not looking at the coin ranking. For those of you tuning in, I am just doing the live stream podcast today solo, because it is still morning time for Doge Democracy, and it is his day off, so I don't want to put too much work on him, because I will still be coming back at you guys tomorrow for another updated podcast. I guess it is podcast now. It is live, of course, but I did change it from live stream to live review to podcast, whatever it is. We're just following Dogecoin and the price movements of what Dogecoin is doing. So let's have a look at the markets. Bitcoin pulling back to $57,000. I do think that's why Dogecoin is not having that selling pressure in the market, because Bitcoin is doing really, really nice. Oh yeah, I was looking for the market cap of Tether. Yeah, the market cap of Tether is right around $52.4 billion. So Dogecoin is right behind Tether, just a couple $1 and Dogecoin will be ranked number 5 cryptocurrency in the entire world. And that's starting from a very, very infamous story of Dogecoin being a meme currency, as it's not really a meme crypto. I don't think any cryptocurrency is a, well, I'll take that back. There are a lot of meme cryptocurrencies out there. There are a lot of cryptocurrencies you have to watch out for and not be a, a bag holder per se for that particular token. But Dogecoin, with its nice increase from below 1 cent to over 9 cents, consolidating around 5 cents, having a run up to 12, 13 cents, and basically tripling that price from there, and Dogecoin is right below 40 cents. So I think the movement for Dogecoin to $1, making a market cap of over $100 billion for Dogecoin, that would make a Dogecoin right behind Binance, or sorry, that would make Dogecoin above Binance BNB at the moment if Binance BNB does not increase its overall market cap or just stays the same over that time frame. But Dogecoin making a market cap of over $100 billion, we would be passing Tether and XRP with a market cap of $70 billion for XRP, but the circulating supply for XRP is still very vast. Circulating supply for XRP is around 45 billion. Dogecoin is still, like 4 times that, or 3 times that, around 129 billion circulating supply. But Dogecoin can still have a increase in price if the market cap is following that path of increase to $100 billion market cap. I do think that's going to happen, as Dogecoin is just really 10 cents away from 50 cents. So another 50 cents doubling really doesn't seem too difficult for Dogecoin to accomplish. Oh yes, I was going to look at the markets in the current moment. This is just going to be a quick update. I didn't want to stay too long, but I am going to be coming back tomorrow evening. Tomorrow evening, that being Doge Democracy, will be joining me because it will be afternoon time for their time zone. So we are in different time zones, and it is still morning time there for Doge Democracy. Alright, so Dogecoin is having a nice consolidation period, resting for just a moment at 38.5, right below 39 cents. Ethereum is doing really nice, still above 2,900 at $2,955. Bitcoin currently at $56,500. Bitcoin is at a very awkward moment. It's not really going up, but on the other side, it's not really going down. So Bitcoin at $53,000 isn't really happening, as we are keeping above that $55,000 area of support for Bitcoin. Binance BNB did have a nice run up to around 627, I think it was. Oh, sorry, it was actually 640. It had made 627. I think that was yesterday. And then it made it all the way up to 640 for Binance BNB. I did get a pretty good entry, not so much because I was FOMOing in around $500 for Binance BNB. So that is still an area that we can fall back down to for Binance BNB. We do have the area around $520 to $530 for Binance BNB. So if we were to have a correction, which it really doesn't seem like Binance BNB is going to have a correction with their burning of tokens, so their price is just going to keep appreciating over time. Same thing with Ethereum and the talks of being able to lock up that Ethereum. Well, there's a lot of Ethereum already locked up at the moon, but the burning of tokens and taking them out of the circulating supply, which would help to increase the price of Ethereum. Ethereum is just doing really, really nice overall. I first got into Ethereum around $1,300, and that's when Bitcoin was around the $28,000 to $30,000 area for Bitcoin. So I have been following cryptocurrency not for too long, but Bitcoin, when I first purchased Bitcoin, it was at $20,000. And my first purchase for Dogecoin was below 1 cent. I have been holding my Dogecoin for quite some time, as I am up quite a lot on my investment from below 1 cent, but I have not paper-handed my Dogecoin. I am still holding my Dogecoin. I have been holding it since I think it was December, when I had initially started to purchase Dogecoin. And that was my introduction to cryptocurrency. So I did get in at the right moment, because we just definitely had a nice bull market run up right after I FOMO'd in. So I'm very happy of myself, particularly for FOMOing in on Dogecoin. A little bit of a pullback right now. This is really what I was hoping for, not hoping for the price of Dogecoin to go down, but I am looking for a nice entry point on Dogecoin to accumulate as many Dogecoin as I possibly can, because with Dogecoin becoming a big capped market cap ranked cryptocurrency, it's definitely most likely going to stay a large price market cap cryptocurrency. I mean, you have these large market cap cryptocurrencies, they're really not going to let go of their limelight. Bitcoin has never let go of its limelight of number one, which I don't really think Bitcoin is going to let go of that number one spot, still being above $56,000 for Bitcoin. It is quite how do you say, out of reach for most people, because they were not buying Bitcoin at below $1. So it's a lot more difficult for them to accumulate certain tokens, and it's a lot easier for people to accumulate Dogecoin. Doge Democracy, is that Doge Democracy? A shout out to my co-host, Doge Democracy. Thank you for joining me. Doge Democracy, good morning. Did you see the CEO tweet with Elon? It's not exactly true, but a good sign that he liked it. Oh, I totally forgot about Twitter. I know Dogecoin is trending on Twitter. I don't think I saw the tweet with Elon Musk. No, I mean, there's just so many tweets. Doge Democracy, I did not I have been trying to keep up on the news, but it just seems like everything or something is happening every day. So it's hard to keep on top of every single tweet. But I have been trying, so thank you for pointing that out, Doge Democracy. Shout out to Doge Democracy, everyone. Doge Democracy is my co-host, coming quite a ways away from across the world. But that is the good thing about cryptocurrency, is that you can connect with others, not only in your own cities and towns, but even across the world. So we will be having the mass shift and adoption of cryptocurrency because it is very technologically advanced, and our societies are becoming more technology driven. So the more we are integrated with technology, the more adoption for cryptocurrency and digital payment systems we are going to see. Dogecoin does look like it is breaking below this support level of 38 cents. Let's see if the buying pressure can push us back up to support at 38 cents. This is going to be a very long night. I'm not going to try to stream too long, but I might actually just keep the chart up for you guys and let everything play out overnight and see if I can get a bit more of an audience. I know I have been struggling with the audience for my channel, but we are still new, and Dogecoin is still new. So I definitely think that my channel will be growing with the growth of Dogecoin, because I have been following Dogecoin. I can take props of saying along with Final Stand. Final Stand was giving updates for Dogecoin a little earlier than me, and there's a lot of other YouTubers who are giving updates for Dogecoin, you know, when we were at like 5 cents and nobody was talking about Dogecoin, and I was buying hundreds of Dogecoin because nobody cared about it. So I believed in Dogecoin because I knew that the mass adoption was going to go to a cryptocurrency that was always being shunned. I just think the more that people talk negatively about certain cryptocurrencies, like the same thing happened for XRP with the whole investigations with the SEC and everything. That only, it like helped the price of XRP. It didn't do anything negative to the price of XRP. It actually helped the price over time. So I know XRP's all-time high was like almost $4, but look at XRP now. It's like half of $4. It's almost pushing $2 for XRP. So when cryptocurrencies are just given a negative coverage, that only in turn helps to push the price up even more. So the more that people talk negatively about Dogecoin, the more it's going to keep going up. It's just going to happen that way. It's just that psychology of when people were talking about Bitcoin. Oh, Bitcoin made $1. Like, who would not love to buy Bitcoin right now at $1? I think this is not financial advice, but I think buying Dogecoin anywhere at like 30 cents and below 30 cents, you're probably making a life-changing decision in that current moment if you are purchasing cryptocurrency at this extremely low price value. Bitcoin still being a market cap of $2 trillion, still needing to consume that market cap of gold. I do think that Bitcoin will make a market cap of $7 to $10 trillion within the next 3 to 5 years. That's definitely going to happen. I've seen Bitcoin triple over my time within the cryptocurrency markets. So my outlook on for where things can go is pretty exponential from where we are currently at. There's democracy. We are the best channel. Thou 420 approved. So many giggles plus real information. Yes, we are 420 approved. 18 plus. NSFW. All of the above. I try not to curse. I'm not too much of a foul-mouthed sailor, but I think if I do get a little, I think if anyone gets upset, they're going to throw out a curse word every now and again. But I don't really get I don't really curse like that unless I'm like, you know, like really angry or something. Like, but there's democracy. My co-host, there's democracy. He definitely is not. He doesn't hold back on his language. Hi, mate. I don't think he does. So shout out to Doge Democracy. He is my co-host, coming out from all the way from Australia. I told Doge Democracy, I said, when our YouTube channel takes off and Dogecoin makes $1, well, it'd probably have to make a little more than $1. I said if Dogecoin makes it to $10, let's just say that it has a market cap of I don't know, $10 trillion. Well, I don't even think that's a market, because if it makes $1, the market cap is $100 billion. So yeah, if Dogecoin makes $10, that means that Dogecoin would have to be a larger market cap than Bitcoin in this current moment. So we'd be over $1 trillion market cap if Dogecoin was at $10. But if Dogecoin makes it to $10, then I'll get a private jet, and then I'll fly to Australia, and then I'll hang out with my co-host Doge Democracy. But Dogecoin at $1 trillion market cap is a little bit out of the realm at the moment, as Bitcoin is holding $1 trillion market cap, but Bitcoin would have to be at the market cap of gold, around $10 trillion, in order for Dogecoin to be around that market cap of $1 trillion, which would bring us to around the price point of $10 per Dogecoin. But we are just going to be relaxing today. I'll try not to talk your ears off too much, and just sit back and enjoy the show. Next price points we have to look out for are 39.5 and 40 cents even. For Dogecoin, currently at 37.8. We did have a little bit of a sell-off for Dogecoin at 38.5, but it does seem like Dogecoin caught itself at 38.5, but we might be having a little bit more of a correction. This is perfectly normal for your cryptocurrency, as Dogecoin's 1 week chart has been in a very upwards trend, as you can see if you are looking at this current Binance.us chart here at the moment. I don't have my screen on display, but if I can zoom in on it, let me see if I can. There we go. Yeah, okay. There we go. So if you can see Dogecoin, when it had the first run up, when Dogecoin had that first run up, when you can see that first huge green spike That was up to 46 cents. So when Dogecoin made it up to, I'm sorry, 44 cents. That was up to 44 cents. Dogecoin pulled back a little bit. That was that next red candle. That 38 cents, where Dogecoin currently is, we pulled back to 35. And after that, then we made it up to the 43 after that, I think. So Dogecoin is playing around in the 40 cents range if we can find support at 38 cents, because we were trading at that price point when we did have a spike up. So we are looking for 38 cents for Dogecoin. The buying pressure is just overwhelming. I can remember I was I forget what I was doing. I think I was going to the bank or something to like deposit money in my bank account or something. But I don't know why, but I was looking at the order book. I was looking at the order book for Dogecoin, and this was back when Dogecoin was at like 10 cents. And there was millions of Dogecoin being bought. I know there's still probably that amount being bought up, but just a different price point. But there was millions of Dogecoin being ordered in that order book. So I just knew that, definitely something else was going on, because accumulation of large amounts of millions and millions of tokens was happening, running up to the initial spike to 13 cents for Dogecoin. As I did state, for those of you tuning in, this is just a quick update for the markets. I might leave the stream on just to let things play out and see where Dogecoin is going to go. Even though I did get pretty good sleep last night, I still found myself waking up through the evening and checking the price of Dogecoin, and we were still above 39 cents, or no, it wasn't 30, yeah, we were still above, or 38 cents. We were right below 39 cents. We were at like 38.6, 38.7. We were trying to push through 39 cents, and then Dogecoin today did touch 40 cents. It was right at like 39.8. It basically made 40 cents. Dogecoin hit 40 cents again, and now we are right in that higher region of 37 cents for Dogecoin. I did try to look for the minute chart. Maybe I could find a chart right now. Let me see. Just so we can see Dogecoin in real time. Let's see what I can pull up here. Thank you for joining Cali Crypto 209, where we give you updates on the cryptocurrency markets, specifically Dogecoin, as Dogecoin is the crypto gem of the century. Definitely check out my Twitter. I made a tweet a couple days ago saying Netflix should make a Netflix should hop on this Dogecoin train and make a like a Netflix series for Dogecoin, and I'm sure Netflix would just get a crazy amount of views if they if they made a Netflix special for Dogecoin. Doge Democracy, hoping for a spike today during the stream. I hope so too. I think I'm just going to leave the stream running and like just play music or something through the night, because things are just looking bright. And then we have people in different time zones, so you know, people waking up through the night, they're going to be watching the charts for Dogecoin and everything, just tuning in. I think I got really good sleep last night because, like, I'm so calm. You can see how, like, that just must be my my emotions or something, because the last live stream, like, I basically could not stop talking. Doge Democracy, Doge Democracy, I didn't even give Doge Democracy, like, his 2 cents. Like, Doge Democracy didn't even say, like, anything the entire live stream, because I was just talking so much that entire live stream. And now this live stream, I'm, like, completely speechless and, like, not even saying much. But Doge Democracy, we should do one and then sell it to Netflix. I said that. I said, well, yeah, I was talking about Twitter and Netflix. I said, my tweet, when Netflix makes a documentary or a Netflix special for Dogecoin, I can definitely take props for it, because I was tweeting about it weeks before they were even in the works of making a special for Dogecoin. But yeah, if there's any film experts out there, if there's any you know, savvy film tech people who know how to make movies, definitely contact me, and we will try and get our own Dogecoin documentary up, so we can capitalize on this Dogecoin movement right now. There's literally people who've become millionaires off of cryptocurrency. I know there's like little docu-series and everything about cryptocurrency, but there's not one about specific altcoins. Like, there's not a documentary on ETH. There's not a documentary on Dogecoin. There's not a documentary on Cardano. There's not a documentary on Binance BNB. And, you know, because we're still in the beginning stages of these tokens. So there's documentaries on Bitcoin. Because, oh, look at Dogecoin bouncing off of this 38. I probably should have entered my position. I'm talking about all these cryptos, and I probably missed a good dip buying opportunity. Not too much, as that RSI wasn't below 30, so the RSI didn't drop below 30, so it's not really a buying signal for me, as we can have more of a downside. We are currently in overbought territory, so Dogecoin has not had a moment to cool off and correct in price. Do keep that in mind. So if you are looking for an entry on Dogecoin, I pointed this out just a little earlier. The price point to look out for is 32 cents for Dogecoin. 32 cents would be the entry point for Dogecoin as a correction and pullback when we make it there. It honestly does not seem like Dogecoin is going to fall to 32 cents. So if I'm out of my trade, then so be it. But I just have so many Dogecoin at this point. I definitely can afford to buy back in my position at a higher price, and I definitely am willing to invest a little more, being that I exited a very small percentage of my position. I will be buying Dogecoin again, entering my position to accumulate more tokens than I was currently holding. That is my main strategy. I don't just swing trade to make profit. I try and capitalize on the price movements to accumulate as many tokens as I possibly can. And that is why I am so into Dogecoin, because it has just went parabolic over these last few weeks, and the increases of 400 to 800% over the last 3 to 4 months are just nothing in comparison to these other cryptocurrencies and the stock market in general. I am invested into stocks, so do diversify your portfolio into more than one asset. My holdings are nearly 70% cryptocurrency and 30% at different assets in other areas of finance. So I'm not just holding cryptocurrency. I hold more than one asset, and I definitely should encourage you to do the same, as cryptocurrency is much more volatile than the stock market. I know the stock market has been a little shaky over the last few months, but it is still looking good overall, with the Fed just pumping as many dollars as they can into those bonds and everything else. Just look at how strong Dogecoin is, still above 38 cents. I think we're trying to push through 38.3. The next area we are looking out for is 39 cents. Ethereum still above $2,900 at 2,950. Let's see if the RSI for Dogecoin doesn't break down too much, but if it does, get ready for a dip buying opportunity. Doge Democracy tuning in again. I would say crypto is a lot more fun to own and watch. I fully agree, Doge Democracy. With the dinosaur dividends of the stock market, it definitely takes a lot more time for you to accumulate wealth within the S&P 500 and other diversification into blue chip stocks. But yeah, cryptocurrency is definitely more fun to watch, and the percentage returns are vastly more than that of the stock market. I am still new to cryptocurrency myself, but I have learned as much as I could about trading and just investing in general. I am in on the Dogecoin to $1 movement, and I am in the whole gang of over 10,000 coins for Dogecoin. So I am holding quite a lot of Dogecoin. It was not worth that thousands of dollars when I first initially made that investment, but over time, Dogecoin at 37 cents in the current moment, my investment has turned into thousands of dollars. This is not financial advice, and I am not a financial advisor. Do your own due diligence and your own research, as cryptocurrency is very volatile and price movements can happen very, very quickly. Bitcoin breaking below $56,500, currently at $56,300, tapping $56,100, is a little bit bearish for Bitcoin, so to watch out for a correction in the markets. I am still looking for the price point of 32 cents for an entry point for me to buy back in my position. I honestly would like 5 cents again for Dogecoin, but I don't think I'm going to get 5 cents per Dogecoin anytime soon. I knew I should have sold those kidneys, as my bank account would have been thanking me. Overall, the cryptocurrency markets are looking very nice. VeChain crossing 20 cents once again, currently at 21 cents. Binance BNB still above $600 at $619. Polygon Matic still above 80 cents, currently at 80.13. Cardano ADA having a little bit of selling pressure. 132 is the current price point of Cardano ADA. Thank you so much for tuning in to Cali Crypto 209, where we give you updates on the cryptocurrency markets. I usually stream with a Doge Democracy joining me all the way from Australia. Hello, mate. But Doge Democracy, it is his day off today, and I am just coming on for the markets just to give a little bit of an update. Yeah, cryptocurrency is a lot more fun to own and watch, as the digital payment system is going to completely take over everything we currently are using. There's no point to use cotton and linen anymore to transact value. You can just see the irony in that, and how America was, not going to get too political here, but America founded on capitalization and slavery and what have you, selling cotton and selling those goods, they turned cotton into a system of monetary use, and cotton and linen is the main form of producing paper fiat. So I think America it's time for a change, America. It's time to get rid of the cotton, it's time to get rid of the linen, and it's time to introduce technology, introduce something that's just helping the evolution of mankind and progression forward into something better, which is cryptocurrency. As transacting your value all the way across the world using paper fiat or gold costs a lot more and requires an intermediary party to accomplish such a feat. Keep in mind that there is still less than 2% of global population currently utilizing cryptocurrency. So when we start to get to 5%, 10% of the global markets engaging with cryptocurrency, you can just imagine how far we are going to increase from here. And just having a piece of that, having a piece of those digital markets, you could be holding a particular token, and that token could be increasing from activity and price movements all the way across the world. So you're living in another country and your cryptocurrency is gaining value because it's being utilized in another country, and you're not even, you don't even have anything to do with that. So all you have to do is just hold on to the correct tokens that are going to have a nice increase in price value. And I have been naming countless tokens that have use cases and that are going to have mass adoption for using them and transacting value with cryptocurrencies. Thank you all for tuning in. This is a very laid-back stream for Sunday afternoon, heading into Sunday evening. We're just going to let the charts play out and see if we can have a nice run up for Dogecoin. Still holding support at 38 cents. Currently at 38 cents even for Dogecoin. This is a critical moment. We are either going to pop above 38 cents or we are going to have a correction back down below to 37 and 36 cents for Dogecoin. I have just been in cryptocurrency for long enough that that I have been in the market, so I have been through corrections. I went through the run up with VeChain. I held my VeChain from 7 cents all the way up to 28 cents. And currently VeChain is right below 22 cents. So VeChain, after running up to 28 cents, VeChain didn't stay at 28 cents. It dropped pretty far back down to, I think it was 14 or 15 cents, or it was probably 16 or 18 cents, somewhere around there. But I remember VeChain being around like 19 cents, 18 to 19 cents. So when your token has a parabolic run up, as Dogecoin is having a parabolic run up, just zoom out and look at the 1 week chart. Don't necessarily base what is happening off of 15 minutes to 30 minutes, but that does help because we are still in a upwards trend over the last hour for the 30-minute chart. But the daily chart is still up and the weekly chart is still up. So we have not had another pullback. I'm not saying that we are going to have another pullback, but you just definitely want to keep that in mind, that cryptocurrency is very volatile and it is quite possible for us to have a pullback to those lower price points. Doge democracy, it's like the old days. You own gold and tobacco shares. Doge, yeah, that's definitely true. You want to keep your Dogecoin for as long as you possibly can, because 2 to 3 years from now, just imagine how much Dogecoin could be worth. It could possibly run up to $3 or $4 for one Dogecoin. That would mean that Bitcoin is around $200,000 or $300,000, possibly even $500,000 for Bitcoin. And the way we're moving in the markets, I definitely do not see it as impossible but it's going to take a lot of time for Bitcoin to make $500,000. And I'm not even done investing with Bitcoin, but if Bitcoin made $500,000, I would have over $40,000 in my investment in Bitcoin. So Bitcoin would have to get up to $500,000 for me to have the amount of one Bitcoin right now, which is just crazy. Like, I have such a small fractional amount of Bitcoin that even when it goes to $500,000, I'll only have the value of Bitcoin of what it was 3 years earlier. So yeah, but that's still going up by a lot, still going up by a lot of percentage holding Bitcoin. But these parabolic price movements from Dogecoin and these other cryptocurrencies does not happen quite often. So you want to hop on the Dogecoin train as fast as you possibly can because you will be left behind. Bitcoin recapturing $56,500. Trying to push through $56,600 for Bitcoin. Dogecoin still above 38 cents. It does look like we are holding support above 38 cents. Currently at 38.2. Look out for the areas of 37 and 36 cents for Dogecoin if we are having a pullback and you are swing trading Doge for a nice entry. Broker joining us again. Drop the like. Thank you, Broker. We need those likes to get that YouTube algorithm out there. Thank you so much, Broker. I really appreciate the support. As this is a nice Sunday afternoon going into evening. It is 4 p.m. here in sunny California. I have actually been looking at different places to live. I am still possibly going to be relocating. I don't know if I want to leave California or not. Like, everyone is just leaving California, and I guess I technically could leave California, but all my family and friends and everything, I was born in California, so just like, it's going to be really hard for me to actually pack up and move California, but there's a lot of better incentives for me, especially being in cryptocurrency and being self-employed. It would be a lot better for me to make that decision over the long term, rather just staying in California and paying much higher fees than I would be if I was living in a different state or region. I would love to move to Hawaii, but a little bit expensive, and I'm not sure if they're too crypto friendly yet. I think people in Hawaii are still having a little bit of a difficult time getting their hands onto crypto. I'm not sure how it works though if you like already have cryptocurrency and then you like move to Hawaii. I would love to live in Hawaii, like trading crypto and just sitting back, walking on the beach like at night after I'm like done with cryptocurrency for the day. But like, it seems like I'm never done with cryptocurrency for the day because I'm just constantly looking at charts. I wake up in the middle of the night looking at the cryptocurrency markets like it's, you know, like it's never going to come back down. But it's really just a new way of a banking system, as keeping your dirty fiat in the bank, it's not gaining value. So why would I want to keep dirty fiat that's just collecting dust in a bank, when I can just put the majority of my assets into Dogecoin, of course, and cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency is going to rule the world one day. So if you have a stake in cryptocurrency now, you are making the right decision. As I FOMO'd in January, and I bought every cryptocurrency that was humanly possible, as well as my financial situation. You can't own every cryptocurrency, but I did have a nice bag of cryptocurrencies, a little over 30 different cryptocurrencies that I was holding since January. I did diminish my portfolio to around 20 to 25 cryptocurrencies I think I currently hold, but most of that is just decreasing the dollar amount that I was holding in a particular token after I had a nice increase on my investment, and then I just put it into Bitcoin. So after I had a nice return off of these altcoins, I just bought more Bitcoin. And at the time, I should have been buying more Dogecoin, because I probably would have been a Dogecoin millionaire at the moment. Doge democracy. I get woken up by Discord all night about Doge, and that makes me check my portfolio. Yeah, I know. I said that before. I put a stop loss and a buy limit order for Dogecoin while I was sleeping. So if Dogecoin had a dip, I did not want to miss that dip buying opportunity. So I put a buy limit order while I was sleeping so I could buy more Dogecoin. And lo and behold, the buy order went through. So I actually bought Dogecoin while I was sleeping, which was just amazing. I was so happy. And Dogecoin was at like, I think Dogecoin was at like, I think it fell to like 5 cents. Like we were at like 6 or, we were trying to push over 6 cents when I had bought. And then I think we fell down to like 5.85 or 5.95. And I had the buy limit order at like 5 something, and I got filled, and it was perfect because I think I bought like, that was probably my last major purchase. I remember saying I'm going to cool off my purchases for Dogecoin because I don't know where we're going, and that was right at 6 cents. And had I just continued to stick to what I was doing, which was dollar cost averaging, so every time I had more assets to put into Dogecoin, I bought Dogecoin. So no matter what price Dogecoin was at, if we were up 10% or if we were down 20%, I would buy Dogecoin. And I was doing that all the way up until we made, until we had recaptured 7 cents, and then I was like, okay, I'm going to cool off my buys because I don't know if we're going to have a pullback to, 5 cents or even 4 cents. I was really being cautious. And Dogecoin shot up to 13 cents. And I'm like, wait a moment, what's going on, Dogecoin? You're increasing in value faster than I can put money into you. and then we dropped back down to 11 cents. And then we shot back up to 48 cents for Dogecoin, and I'm still happy with my portfolio. I would have been even more happy with my portfolio had I sold all of my organs to buy more Dogecoin and donated 3 pints of blood. But you cannot look back and say I should have, could have, would have. We can just make that investment decision now. And the sooner we make the correct decisions, the sooner we will be the sooner we will be in the right area towards our finances. All right, let's give a little bit of an update for the markets. Dogecoin still above a nice support area of 38 cents, currently at 38.15. Bitcoin currently at $56,400. A little bit more of selling pressure for Bitcoin, and correction pulling Bitcoin down ever so slightly. That is why we are seeing a little bit of a cool off and not too much of consolidation for Dogecoin, because it is still very, very volatile. I am hoping for a nice entry for Dogecoin around the 32 cents price point. So look out for the 32 to 34 cents price evaluation for a nice entry. Dogecoin has been in an uptrend for the past week, and we have not had a strong correction and pullback. And having a nice correction and pullback around the 32 to possibly 31 cent price point would be extremely healthy for Dogecoin. As you will have early investors like myself taking profits, but as I mentioned before, I am not taking profits from Dogecoin just to gain on capital. If I do take profits from Dogecoin at a high price value, that is in turn that I will be buying back in on the correction to accumulate more Dogecoin. So I really won't even have that much capital left over, because I would have then allocated all of what I had made back into Dogecoin. I do not advise you to swing trade, because it is very difficult and you can get kicked out of your trade and you will have to buy back in at a higher price point. But I am fully prepared to do so. If Dogecoin continues to rally up to 40 cents and above, I will be buying back in my position at 40 cents and above if I am pushed to do so. Doge democracy, I know. Diamond hands, diamond hands, diamond hands. And when you have diamond hands, you will be fully rewarded over 400%, because I was up for over 400% and things were just getting a little bit dicey for me and my risk point. So when you're up over 400%, I think I even hit 500%, things are getting a little scary for me. That is just my own risk level. I know people got in Dogecoin a little bit later, and their risk level is, much, much lower than mine. But I basically can have Dogecoin fall back down to 5 cents, and it still really wouldn't affect my portfolio, because I'm still up a crazy amount on Dogecoin. Dogecoin can literally fall to below 10 cents, and I would still be making money from Dogecoin. That is how, that is just how it's that's how it's played out for my portfolio, because I was purchasing Dogecoin below 1 cent. But that's not to say that later investors into Dogecoin cannot have hundreds of a percentage of a return as myself. If you are buying in above 30 cents, above 20 cents, you basically would need Dogecoin to hit 60 to 75 cents in order to see those hundreds of a percentage return on your initial investment. I then would see nearly topping over 1,000% return if I can keep my diamond hands diamond until Dogecoin makes that price evaluation. It is still pretty dicey in the moment for Dogecoin. We will be in a nice wedge of 38 cents. So if Dogecoin is popping above 38 cents or falling below 38 cents, that will determine the future trend line. I know I said I wasn't going to talk too much, but I just seem to talk too much, so I will give my voice just a little bit of a break, and I'll let you guys sit back and enjoy the show. Crypto, wherefore art thou, crypto? Don't you guys like my little poem there? I think cryptocurrency is going to go very far from where we currently are in this moment, as the mass adoption hasn't really began. Whoops, let me fix this chart here. I guess this was the one chart. Let me fix this one. Hold on, a little bit of a, there we go. All right, is that? All right, there we go. Things are looking better. A little bit wobbly, but things are looking better. There we go. Well, I want you to be able to see, because, oh yeah, oh, I totally cut that chart off. Here, let me just make it a little smaller. There we go. All right, you can still see the trend line there. Dogecoin is still above 38 cents. Okay, there we go. All right, Dogecoin still above 38 cents. Currently trading at 38.07. It is trying to push up ever so slightly, but it's not really pushing over 38 cents. Confirmation would be around 38.5 and above, as that buying pressure would be pushing Dogecoin back up to 39 cents. So just do watch out for these lower trend lines of 36.5 and 37 cents as well. Nice laid back Sunday afternoon. I will still be coming at you tomorrow evening with Doge Democracy, my co-host. So do stay tuned for an updated live stream as well tomorrow evening. I think the worked out time that we confirmed on was around 7 to, well, yeah, I think it was 7 to, I guess it is still early, yeah, 7 to 8:30, so I'd start the live stream at the earliest 7 p.m. I'm sorry, yeah, at the earliest 7 p.m. and then at the latest I'd be starting at around 7:30. But if we are pushed for time, the latest I would be coming at you with the live stream would be 8 p.m. Pacific time. And Dogecoin does look as though it is breaking below 38 cents. Let's see if Dogecoin can hold its momentum above 38 cents. That would be a very special moment in the chart for Dogecoin. Yeah, I think after I moved the Binance chart over a little bit, you can see the chart over here. Which trading platform was this? I don't even know what trading platform I have, but it says up 550%. So just look at that. If you can see that right next to the 38 cents, it says 550%. Dogecoin is still up, and I think that's the, is it monthly chart or weekly chart or something like that? Yeah, they have it up on the monthly chart. So 550% for the monthly chart for Dogecoin. A cryptocurrency needs a modest pullback. If Dogecoin does continue to rally up, it needs a modest pullback, pulling us back down to around the 35, even possibly 32 cent region as a nice, healthy correction, an area of consolidation for Dogecoin to be trading around. And if you are looking to find an area to accumulate more Dogecoin, this is not financial advice, but look out for 32 cents and huge support at 30 cents. So I'm not saying that Dogecoin is going to drop to 30 cents. I know that hurts for a lot who invested into Dogecoin a little earlier, but that is just the inevitability and volatility you get with investing in a cryptocurrency. So if you're buying in at an all-time high, which Dogecoin is technically at an all-time high, you're going to have pullbacks. You are going to have pullbacks, so you just want to keep that in mind. When you see blood in the waters, that is the time to go swimming in the altcoin pools and accumulate as much token as you can when we have retracements of 10 to 20%. So what do you guys think of me just leaving the stream up? Like without me talking, obviously, because I'd be asleep. But like maybe if I like wake up through the night and like I have the stream still on, I'll like wake up in the night and then I'll like come and give you guys updates, like if I'm up and I'm just feeling like looking at the markets. Doge democracy sounds good. I think it'd be good because then Doge democracy, you're all the way it's like what, 8:30 there? It's like almost like 9 o'clock where you're at, so your day is just starting. So then if I like keep the live stream on and it's still nighttime and everybody's going to sleep here, you'll broker, make the candles smaller if you do. Yeah, broker, I'm definitely wanting those candles to get a little smaller so I can find a nice entry into Dogecoin. Oh, okay, Doge Democracy, nearly 10 a.m. So, yeah, you see, Doge Democracy, it's only 10 a.m. for Doge Democracy, and it's almost 5 p.m. Here in the States. So yeah, the time differences with other countries waking up, and then that's what I love about cryptocurrency is the markets are 365 days a year, 24 hours. The markets never sleep. So if my friend who's having New Year's or at a club over in New York, because I have friends in New York, yes, I'm fancy like that. My friend over in New York needs me to send her some money, and it's like 10 p.m. here in California, but it's 1 p.m. over there in New York. If I was to send her $50 so she can keep drinking at the bar through the night, she'd have to wait until Monday. So she'd have to stay at the bar or just come back to the bar on Monday in order to use that money I sent her. But cryptocurrency allows me to instantly transact value from a very long distance. Oh, broker, no, I mean like from 1D candles to 1 minute candles. Oh yeah, I know. I was searching for a chart just a minute ago, but I kept talking and I and I sidetracked myself. Yeah, I was trying to pull up a minute chart. I might have to log into one of my accounts here. But when I do log into my account, like online, the chart always switches. So like I'll log into my account and I'll put the chart on like 1 minute or 15-minute chart, but it still switches back to like default chart. Like even if I, you know, put the chart, but then I put the display up on the live stream, it just falls back down. So I'm not too sure what I could do about that. But broker, I am still looking for a different chart here. Let me see. Dogecoin, the ranked number 6 cryptocurrency in the entire world. Do you own Dogecoin? Do your friends own Dogecoin? How did you learn about cryptocurrency? If you are watching Crypto209, you are here at the right moment, as cryptocurrency has not had the moment for mass adoption. So Dogecoin and Bitcoin, of course, at these current price evaluations, in my view, is a steal. Okay, broker, I'm going to try this other chart. I think this is Webull, but like, even when I log into my Webull, like the chart always switches back to default. So even if I put that chart up, like the 15-minute chart, it still doesn't, it's like, it still switches back. So we'll try this chart and we'll see if this one works. Dogecoin falling below 38 cents, currently at 37.78. I did state that just about 10 or 15 minutes ago, Dogecoin finding support at 38 cents. If we are having a correction below 38 cents, Dogecoin would be falling to around 37 to 36.5. So watch out for the dip buying opportunity at 37 even and 36.5 for Dogecoin. Yes, broker, I know all I have to do is click on the 1 day on that screen, but I don't have my live stream on display capture. I just have it on you know, capture the web. So it's just like the browser image from the web. I'm not display capturing my background because like I'm not all into the chart like that because my computer doesn't allow me to do so. I am streaming from a laptop, you guys. I have been looking for a actual desktop computer. So my versatility with being able to interact with charts and things like that would be a lot more, a lot easier. But I do apologize if the current chart is at the 1 month candle. Let me try TradingView. I know TradingView might have something a little different, but TradingView always has those ads that pop up, and why would I pay for TradingView when I can just buy more Dogecoin? Okay, just give me a moment here. I am trying to find a nice chart to put up. We'll see what we can find here. I'm not sure if I was disconnected for a second or not. See, look, me just trying to pull up a different chart, it's just, it's causing problems. This is why I don't, I just leave it on browser, because it's, like, this computer is so old, like, it's going to shut down the entire live stream if I just move on to one different page. And everything just goes, like, so much slower. But, broker, hang in there. Thank you for tuning in, and things will be updated for the weeks to come. So, thank you so much for tuning in, and I promise you things will be a lot better in the weeks to come. Hopefully Dogecoin makes $1 so I can buy an even better computer, and I can live stream to you all the time. Okay, let me look up Doge here. Alright, let's see how this one looks, because this one doesn't look too good. Okay, that's going to be the last time I'm changing it. I'm not changing it back. Again, it's going to have to stay on that chart. I do apologize once again. I'm not streaming from a desktop computer, so when I go to Best Buy or wherever to buy a nice desktop computer, I will be putting my live streams on image capture, so you guys can, I'll go more in depth on the charts with you guys. Okay, yeah, this one is looking better. Maybe I should switch Binance for TradingView and make, look, I said I wasn't going to change it. Okay, yeah, let me try that. Let me put TradingView, and then I'll put Binance in the corner. Let me do this. Doge Democracy, yeah, you see, I'm just going to leave it, because it's just going to mess it up, and then I don't, that's why I said, like, the trading view chart, like, it pulls up the faster, not the faster, like the 1 minute or the 5 minute chart, but yeah. We're just having a nice time, sitting back, watching Dogecoin. Dogecoin currently below 38 cents. It did drop below the support level of 38 cents, currently at 37.9. So it is looking pretty good. Dogecoin, to have that breakout level would be 38.5 up to 38.6. So once Dogecoin starts to get in the trading region of 38.5 and above, then we can confirm that Dogecoin is ready for a breakout. But in this current moment, Dogecoin is still up over 500% for the past month. We definitely need a nice pullback and a cool-off moment to find a nice floor for Dogecoin. For those of you just tuning in, Bitcoin currently at $56,600, right above that support level at $56,500 for Bitcoin. Ethereum still above $2,900. If you guys do not own Ethereum, wait for a correction and dollar cost average into Ethereum, because Ethereum is just going to keep growing from this current moment. My price projections for Ethereum have increased tenfold, along with Bitcoin. Bitcoin being above $100,000. I know that's for surely going to happen, and Ethereum definitely can make close to the regions of $5,000 for one Ethereum. So just watch out for when Ethereum starts to overtake that market cap of Bitcoin. We're not saying that Ethereum is going to pass Bitcoin, but cryptocurrencies are just in a really nice bull market in this moment. Anything is quite possible with Bitcoin dominance dropping by a lot. All of that money is going into these smaller capped altcoins. Well, as I stated, I will try not to talk your ear off for this live stream review, but if anyone has any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below in the comment section or in the current chat. Binance BNB is still above $620. Currently at $622. I do own Binance BNB. I FOMO'd in at around $500 purchasing Binance BNB. So I am up on my investment for Binance BNB. Dogecoin looking really, really strong, pushing back to 37.8. There was a slight correction for Dogecoin down to around 37.6 to 37.5. But Dogecoin is doing quite well. We are still holding that support of 38 cents. Confirmation of a breakdown and correction of Dogecoin would be falling below the trend line of 36 cents. So if Dogecoin starts to trade below 37 and 36 cents, that is a confirmation of a correction and for you to exit your trade. For myself, that would actually be the perfect dip buying opportunity, but I am looking for the 32 to 30 cents region to accumulate as much Dogecoin as I possibly can. Oh, Elon with the CEO of Doge. Let me go on Twitter because I haven't been on Twitter. I've been tweeting so much about Dogecoin. I think I probably I don't know. I've been tweeting too much about Dogecoin lately. There's just so many tweets about Dogecoin on Twitter right now. I'm sure your tweet would be like kicked to the side because there's just thousands of tweets going on. But I think I did see that one with Elon, with the Doge CEO. First he was the Doge. Well, he did put the CEO of Dogecoin like in February in his Twitter description. And then there was a whole thing about, oh, Elon Musk is influential to people and he's going to make them buy Dogecoin. Yeah, if you were following Elon Musk when he put CEO of Dogecoin back on his Twitter and you had purchased Dogecoin back then, which it was only at 5 cents when we had that pull down from the all-time high of 9 cents. If you had purchased at 5 cents, you're up on your investment. So you made the correct investment decision had you got in at 5 cents and that was your first time learning about Dogecoin. I was purchasing Dogecoin before the hype when no one was really following it. There were YouTubers who would talk about Dogecoin, and get this, they would talk about Dogecoin, but they would only talk negatively about Dogecoin. Shout out to Final Stand and these other YouTubers who were talking positively about Dogecoin and the potential growth that Dogecoin had from its current price point at that time being around 0.008. So we were at a fraction of a penny when Dogecoin had a run up to 1 cent. And at the 1 cent level, I was purchasing Dogecoin quite a lot after we ran up to 1 cent. So the majority of my purchases were well over 1 cent. The majority of my purchases were around, oh goodness, it's pretty far back now, I can't even remember. Let me just look at my recent purchases for Dogecoin. I've literally bought Dogecoin hundreds of times. Like, I have hundreds of orders. Okay, yeah, so back here, this was, I'm just going to name out a date. This was February 3rd, and Dogecoin was at 3 cents. And, my goodness, just look at how much Dogecoin was worth. Yeah, at a time when I had made my initial purchase, Dogecoin was at 0.00 cents. So we were at almost at a half a penny. We were just over a half of a penny for 1 Dogecoin, and you got a little over 100 Dogecoin for $1. So I was purchasing a good amount of, oh, look at this. This is what I was talking about. The technical analysis is playing out correctly for Dogecoin. We were rejected at 38 cents. Let's see if we have a rejection of the 37.5 level. If we are having a rejection of the 37.5 down to 36 cents for Dogecoin, that does confirm a correction and possibly a downtrend for the price of Dogecoin. Blood is in the markets, and this is a dip buying opportunity. This is not financial advice, but Dogecoin will be trading in the region of 43 up to 48 cents is the all-time high. So we do have that projection of growth for Dogecoin to make at least 55 to 60 cents. I do see Dogecoin tapping the 55-cent level quite soon, if not within the month of May. It will be the month after. The markets are extremely bullish, and we have a mass accumulation happening in this moment. That is why you are seeing run-ups in price value. That means that hundreds upon millions of dollars is being pumped into the cryptocurrency markets. All right, let me give an update for the market. Dogecoin currently with a breakdown of 38 cents. It was trading at 39.4, trying to hold 39.4, but it broke down. Currently at 37.6 for Dogecoin. We need confirmation below 37 cents down to 36.5 as a full correction and area of consolidation. But we are hoping that Dogecoin does not have too much of a breakdown leading up to SNL on Friday. The anticipation of what Elon Musk is going to say and or do with Dogecoin. I think a lot of people are just buying the news of what could possibly happen to the price of Dogecoin. So that is why I cannot stress enough to time your investments correctly and wait until there is a correction in the market. I did put out a tweet of my live stream, so hopefully a few more Dogecoin enthusiasts can hop on the Dogecoin train and get a nice update for the markets. Bitcoin currently below $56,900, trying to push through $57,000. So we might have Dogecoin trying to push through again as Bitcoin is trying for $57,000. I hope your portfolios are in the green. As if you have been following Gracey209, you would know to buy the dips and ride the waves. Buying the dips at a lower price point ensures that if we do have a correction, your initial purchase is still up percentage-wise if we do have a pullback in price value. That is why I still have a very high risk level for Dogecoin, and I can have Dogecoin drop to the 10 cents region, and I would still be up on my investment. I would love for Dogecoin to drop to 10 cents because I probably would liquidate some of my position in Bitcoin, and I would allocate that into Dogecoin. In this current moment, I would sell Bitcoin for some Dogecoin. just because there is a mass movement behind Dogecoin, and like there's just so much momentum behind it. You honestly want to hold as much Dogecoin as you possibly can, because when the time comes and people start to want to accumulate Dogecoin, you're going to be holding those tokens. So it's only going to help to increase the market cap and overall price value of Dogecoin in that moment. And that's just as I stated. You could have purchased a token, and someone across the world could be purchasing that exact token, and that aids in that increase in value. So we are going to be playing around in this 37-cent region for Dogecoin. If we are tapping 37 cents even down to 36.5, that is a confirmation of a nice correction and a dip buying opportunity. I am looking for Dogecoin to correct to 32 cents. I know that's hard to hear, but 32 cents would be where I would be entering my position once again. We all would love to pick up Dogecoin at a lower price, and that's just how it goes over time. You say, oh, I'd love to pick up Dogecoin at 5 cents. Dogecoin doubled and went to 13 cents. Oh, I would love to pick up Dogecoin at 13 cents. Dogecoin tripled and went to 48 cents. So now currently at 37.8, are you going to be saying, gee, I wish I picked up Dogecoin at 37 cents and it's at 50 cents right now. I should have bought Dogecoin when it was at 37. I should have bought a lot more back here and there. You have to make the correct investment choices based upon your investment risk to reward. So if you're okay with losing 7 cents per Dogecoin, possibly more, if we correct down to 30 cents, then purchase Dogecoin at 37 cents. But if we fall back down to 30 cents, you have to have that risk tolerance in order to buy Dogecoin at this current price point. All right, and Bitcoin is being rejected at the $56,900 mark. Bitcoin will be trying to push through $57,000, but it is having a little bit more selling pressure. As well as Dogecoin falling below the 38 cent area of support once again. Let's see if we can push back up to the support level of 38 cents for Dogecoin. Oh, Doge Democracy, I'm sorry I missed your comment. I'm just so into these charts right now. Yes, I did see that BitBoy Crypto. Shout out to BitBoy Crypto. I love watching BitBoy Crypto. He gives out very informational news, and he's the biggest cryptocurrency channel on YouTube. So shout out to BitBoy Crypto and his channel. Yes, it just seems as though, and that's exactly what I stated before, all these big crypto YouTubers who have, well, BitBoy Crypto has millions of dollars in his crypto portfolio. Had he allocated some of those assets into Dogecoin back when everyone was talking negatively about it. Big Boy Crypto probably would have had a little over $30 million in his crypto portfolios because of that huge increase he would have had from holding Dogecoin. So I'm not anticipating you to hold every single cryptocurrency as myself. I basically FOMO'd into a lot of different cryptocurrencies. I FOMO'd into Uniswap, Tezos, Algorand, Polygon, Cardano. I bought Cardano at just $1. We did have a correction down for Cardano below $1, but I still held on to my Cardano, and it's at 132, so I'm still up on my Cardano if I decide to exit my position. I still have not purchased Solana. I am interested in a nice pullback on Solana. I'm looking for at least the $30 region to start accumulating Solana, but at this point I just might start dollar cost averaging and just buying it at whatever price it is, because Solana has just been taking off to the moon like crazy. Zilliqa is one that I purchased as well. Chainlink I FOMO'd into. So there's a lot of cryptocurrencies that I actually FOMO'd into and I'm still holding. I actually did not liquidate my positions. Oh, so this might be confirmation for Dogecoin up above that support level of 38 cents again. We might still be in a nice bullish uptrend for Dogecoin. We can't possibly be hitting 40 cents. Let's see if Dogecoin can recapture 39.5 is the next area we are looking for. But we do sometimes have these fake out breakouts, which means it looks as though the price is going up again in value, but then we actually have a sell-off again. So I just want to point that out to those of you who are just getting excited about Dogecoin going up to the moon, because we do have moments where the price needs to consolidate and have a correction and find a nice area to trade around. So I am still waiting for Dogecoin to have a nice pullback for me to make a correct entry. We're doing good with the likes. Got 5 likes. Thank you to all of you who are tuning in. Definitely hit that like button. It helps to get the YouTube algorithm out to more Dogecoin lovers. I definitely am in love with Dogecoin. I fell in love with cryptocurrency after Bitcoin, but then I fell in love with Dogecoin after I was up over 500%. So I really fell in love with Dogecoin after that. So everyone has their own token and cryptocurrency that they how do you say, are a part of, that you own at least. So we have the Cardano community, we have the Ethereum gang, we got the Dogecoin community, the Doge fam, we got the Bitcoin maximalist, and you got, I mean, you got so many, and you got the shitcoiners. So, oh, I actually cursed. Hopefully YouTube doesn't dock me for that, but yeah, Dogecoin is definitely in the region of a legitimate cryptocurrency, still holding that rank of number 6 cryptocurrency in the entire crypto universe. It does look as though Dogecoin will be pushing back up to 39 cents. Look out for 39.5 as a confirmation of a bullish uptrend. So we can be kicking those kicking the bears out of the market and continuing this bullish uptrend. Hopefully it does not go too far, because I definitely need to enter my position for Dogecoin once again. As I stated, I am fully okay with buying Dogecoin at a higher price point. I will just have to have my diamond hands for a little longer, but I definitely don't have any problem doing so. VeChain currently at 22 cents, having a nice run up. I am a holder of VeChain as well. VeChain Thor, with their 2-token system, you do get paid VThor token for holding VeChain if you are on a staking platform. All right, I hope you all are enjoying the markets. This is Gracey209 coming back at you with an updated stream for the cryptocurrency markets. I'll just go over a few top headlines for crypto. Bitcoin illuminates inflation in the fog. Coinbase acquires cryptocurrency market analysis tool Skew. I think I did state that one on my last live stream with Doge Democracy. Peer-to-peer Bitcoin trading rising across Africa. Coinbase adds PayPal as payment option for US users. I did look into purchasing crypto on PayPal. I actually did buy Litecoin, some Litecoin on PayPal. When Litecoin was at like $130. And it's crazy because I actually sold that Litecoin that was on PayPal. I had Litecoin and Ethereum on PayPal, and I sold it when we had a nice run up because you don't have your private keys on PayPal. So I didn't want to keep my my cryptocurrency on PayPal and not have private keys, because I would not have been able to send out that cryptocurrency or receive any cryptocurrency for holding all of that capital on PayPal. So you can still utilize the PayPal platform just to have the increase on your dollar amount for your investment, but yeah, I took all of my crypto out of PayPal, and I put it onto exchanges and platforms where I can actually withdraw my cryptocurrency and actually use it. Well, let's see if we can have the confirmation for Dogecoin. At 39 cents is the next area we are looking for. Confirmation of that bullish uptrend would be 39.5. I do apologize for you all if I am pretty laid back and chill for this evening, as I had some pretty good sleep last night, and even though I was waking up watching the charts, I did sleep in. I slept in till about 8 o'clock. Yeah, I know 8 o'clock is still early, but I'm usually up at around 5:30 up at the markets, so I can watch my portfolios. So waking up at 8 o'clock was definitely a treat for me on Saturday. I don't like get out of the condition of waking up at 6 a.m. Until it's like Saturday. Bitcoin breaking above $57,000, holding at $57,170. Ethereum right below $3,000. Ethereum might be making a new all-time high right on this live stream podcast. Dogecoin still above 38 cents, currently at 38.2. We did have a correction below 38 cents, but Dogecoin is still looking bullish, and we are holding above 38 cents. Bitcoin is looking very, very bullish at the moment. Look out for 57,500 for Bitcoin. Pardon me. So yeah, Bitcoin is pushing up to $57,300, which is pretty good. Hopefully Bitcoin can push up to 57,500. Dogecoin, we might be testing the 38 cents a level again. This is kind of what I was mentioning, as it seems as though the price of Dogecoin is increasing. It can be a fake out, breakout, and we actually will be having a correction. But so far, we are doing really well. Thank you all for tuning in. I'll see how long I can keep the live stream on. I don't have dinner on yet, so I might be just leaving the stream on while I'm cooking dinner, and then I'll give you guys an update as I have some free time. So Dogecoin might be testing that 37 cents level again. It's not really a confirmation that we are going to be correcting, because we need to hit the 36 cent price value. But keep in mind, Dogecoin just had that run up, so you can't be green every single day. You definitely cannot be green every single day. And there are going to be some days when the market is in red, and that is your shopping opportunity, and that is the opportunity for you to buy into cryptocurrency at a lower price point. I honestly think Dogecoin will never fall below 10 cents again. I think it would be pretty hard for Dogecoin to fall below 20 cents. It is still possible for Dogecoin to fall below 20 cents. I would purchase Dogecoin like crazy if we fell below 20 cents, but it has just gotten so bullish that when you have these spikes up, the cryptocurrency never looks back, and you usually never tap those lower price points. You just keep on consolidating higher and higher as the price and market cap continues to increase. And just because Dogecoin doesn't have a project of people behind it, doesn't mean that it can't have use cases in the world. Right behind Tether at number 6, Dogecoin is at number 6 cryptocurrency in the entire world. Not even within the top 100 cryptocurrencies. Yes, that was 100 cryptocurrencies. There are hundreds of cryptocurrencies out on the market, and Dogecoin is ranked number 6 out of a countless amount of other cryptocurrencies that can arguably be called better projects, use cases, and things like that. So you want to be very, very careful with your assets if you are allocating a large amount of capital into cryptocurrencies, specifically Dogecoin, because you really cannot determine the volatility to the upside or to the downside. So even if you do allocate a large amount of assets, you are still putting yourself up for a lot of risk if the price of Dogecoin does come back down to earth. But it does seem as though Dogecoin is not coming back down to earth, and we are taking off to the moon. Ethereum is $9.60 away from $3,000. If Ethereum keeps this uptrend to $3,000, it definitely helps the altcoin market cap overall, because Ethereum is a altcoin. It is definitely a large market capped altcoin, but it is still a altcoin. Pardon me. I will try not to talk too much, as my voice does give out after a couple hours, so bear with me. Litecoin is really stagnant. If you are bullish on Litecoin, I do think that this is the perfect area to accumulate more tokens, as Litecoin did have that run up to over $300 quite recently. Tron is doing quite well, almost at 13 cents for Tron. I do not own any Tron, but it is another token for diversification. Alright, so this Saturday with the Doge Father, I think this should be really interesting for Dogecoin. I think we might be seeing price points we have never imagined before. But I think Elon Musk definitely is going to push up Dogecoin, just like even with his comments saying that fate loves irony, and that the cryptocurrency created as a joke is going to become the cryptocurrency of the world, which would just be crazy because I own a part of that, and if Dogecoin ultimately does become the cryptocurrency of the world that's mainly used behind Bitcoin, the store of value, and Ethereum, meaning that we'd be the number 3 cryptocurrency within the entire world, I would still be happy with Dogecoin at number 3, because number 3 is like locking in that Dogecoin is here to stay. If we could make it to number 3 ranked cryptocurrency, that would mean that Dogecoin is going to be around like forever. We're not going to drop out of the number 3 ranked unless a different cryptocurrency comes along and is overall better than Dogecoin and just has a better community. But I don't think there is any other better community than that of the Dogecoin fam. So thank you all for tuning in. I definitely appreciate your support, not only with Dogecoin, but on YouTube as well, as my channel is fairly new and I'm trying to increase my channel as we go along. Thank you so much to my new subscribers. I made it to 50 subscribers. Look at that. We are pushing our way up slowly but surely. Very happy for that. Thank you guys so much. Thank you so much to my new subscribers for subscribing. It just means so much to me. I never thought that I'd make it to 50 subscribers and still talking about Dogecoin months after. Doge Democracy, you're still here. Doge Democracy, Gracey209 to the moon. Yes, to the moon. We want Dogecoin to the moon. Thank you so much, Doge Democracy. I greatly appreciate your support. We are just in the beginning stages for Dogecoin, and there's only the upside from here. Honestly, all I can see is Dogecoin heading to the upside. Bitcoin right below $57,500. 57,500. Currently at $57,420 for Bitcoin. Dogecoin is still above support at 38 cents. Currently trading at 38.26 for Dogecoin. The bullish momentum just does not look as though it is stopping. The candle movements are showing that Dogecoin is here to stay. It is going to be here to stay when it makes rank number 5 and then rank number 4 and possibly even rank number 3, passing Binance BNB coin. Dogecoin just has a huge amount of growth potential from this current moment. If I had a larger amount of assets to allocate into Dogecoin, I would say that this is the perfect price point to purchase Dogecoin. If I was buying a couple 100,000 Dogecoin, this would probably be the moment to do so. If we make it to $1, you definitely would be up a large amount on your investment. But for the past week and the past month on the monthly chart, Dogecoin is still in an upwards trend. So we're not too sure if things are going to continue going up or if we're going to have a correction bringing Dogecoin back down to around 35 to 32 cents. Still very bullish for Dogecoin, as anything above 25 cents, I am still very, very shocked that Dogecoin can hold on its own above 25 cents, which is really, really, truly amazing to see. We might be having a confirmation here at the 38.5 cents level for Dogecoin. Confirmation that we will be tapping 39 cents once again. blasting off to 39.5. We will see. We need to cross over 39.2 first. There was selling pressure at 39.2. So if we can cross over that selling wall of 39.2, then we should be right below 40 cents for Dogecoin. Right below at 38.40. Dogecoin is having a lot of buying pressure right now. We'll see what's happening right here on the live stream. Okay, 38.40. It looks like we might be coming back down. We can have another wick up. Back to test that 38.5 again. And that would be confirmation that Dogecoin is making its way back up to 39 cents. Let me check the order books for Dogecoin. Yeah, a lot more selling pressure in this current moment than buying pressure. Selling pressure is nearly double that than the buying pressure, and it is not laid out evenly. So Dogecoin can tap the 39 cents, but we probably will not be trading over 39 cents. I believe that 38 is a nice consolidation area, and if we do, we will be holding here for about 1 to 2 days, leading up to around Wednesday and to Thursday. And Elon Musk talking about Dogecoin hopefully on SNL. All right, Dogecoin testing 38.5. See if Dogecoin is not rejected at 38.5, pushing back up to 39 cents. Truly amazing to watch. This happened right now, like just. It's awesome. Shout out to all of you who are invested into Dogecoin and have those diamond hands diamond. As not selling your cryptocurrency ensures that you will have a huge percentage return. Alright, we need to hold confirmation at 38.5 for Dogecoin. See, we are testing 38.6 at the moment. Bitcoin with the confirmation of $57,500. Bitcoin is looking very, very bullish, trying to climb back up to $58,000. That is just $2,000 away from $60,000 for one Bitcoin. My own investment for Bitcoin was around $20,000 when I had initially started purchasing Bitcoin. And I have been steadily dollar cost averaging, purchasing more Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies when I have the extra capital to do so. Ethereum at $29.92. Ethereum is just $8 away from the all-time high. It is trying so hard to push up to $3,000 for one Ethereum. I do hold Ethereum. Ethereum is my next biggest holding. behind, well, actually, at this moment, for its price value, Ethereum is the next biggest holding behind Dogecoin. So I have Dogecoin, Ethereum, and then VeChain as my cryptocurrency portfolio tokens. Diversification into other tokens. Binance BNB at $628. I do own Binance BNB. Binance BNB all-time high was $644. Do keep that in mind. Binance BNB is trying to push up to its all-time high. Just $16 away for Binance BNB. Soon to be $15 away for Binance BNB, close to that all-time high. Things are very, very bullish in the cryptocurrency markets. We possibly can hope to see Dogecoin cross over 40 cents. If we are continuing this bullish uptrend, not only for Bitcoin and Ethereum, as well as Binance BNB, the top 3 cryptocurrencies, but the top 10 cryptocurrencies, if they are moving in price value, that does determine the overall market. So Bitcoin determining the price of Dogecoin. Now Dogecoin is determining the price of other smaller capped cryptocurrencies. It's quite funny how that happens, and the cryptocurrency that was created as a joke starts to rule over all the other cryptocurrencies. But we are still waiting for a nice cool-off moment, as Dogecoin just went completely parabolic. Looking at the current charts, it is nothing really keeping us from hitting 48 cents, the all-time high. After the all-time high, we do have a clear 60 cents for Dogecoin, so that would be truly amazing to see Dogecoin pass over not only 50 cents, but 60 cents, as the buying pressure just looks as though it is not going to back down anytime soon. Bitcoin is still above 57,500. Dogecoin was slightly rejected at the 38.5. Confirmation above the 38.5 and the continuation of that price value would help Dogecoin make 39 cents, but we are having a slight rejection. Does not mean that Dogecoin cannot push through to 39 cents, but it is very important for it to hold a price point for that candle close. Well, it is a good day in the cryptocurrency markets. Thank you all for joining Cali Crypto 209, where we bring you updates on the cryptocurrency markets. I live stream Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. sometimes a little bit of a special on the weekends. Thank you so much for joining me on this Sunday weekend special. There's Democracy live in front of a studio audience. Cali Crypto to the 209. Yes, Doge Democracy. Hopefully one day we can have a nice studio audience tuning in for Cali Crypto 9. That would just be truly amazing. My channel is still fairly new, and I thank you so much to the new subscribers, as it just means so much to me. The Dogecoin fam is just truly heartwarming, not only with kind words, but also with those subscriptions. So thank you so much. Thank you for liking the videos. It means a lot to me. That will help me to bring you more content, as I will be growing my channel, getting the word out to more people. I also will be purchasing a desktop computer, so you'll be able to get things a bit more in high def. All right, Bitcoin with the fake out breakout, falling below $57,500. Currently at $57,450 for Bitcoin. Ethereum is still pushing up, even though Bitcoin is having that slight correction. Ethereum looks as though it is trying to tap $3,000. Just the slightest amount of selling pressure, keeping Ethereum below $3,000. But if you zoom out and look at Ethereum, it has been bullish for the past 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Basically, for the past month, Ethereum has been very, very bullish. There's only been about 4 nice pullbacks in order for you to make a nice entry on Ethereum. Now, Ethereum has not had any red candles pulling that price. Excuse me. Ethereum has not had anything pulling it below 2,500. Pardon me. I have been going at the live stream for a little longer than usual, but I don't mind, as I still have until tomorrow evening, a good 12 hours, to give you guys another updated live stream with Doge Democracy. So do stay tuned in for my live stream tomorrow evening. We do have news of NFL players having their entire salary being paid out in Bitcoin. There was one NFL player in particular. I do forget his name. I'm just so conflicted by the news. There's just so much news going on, so you can't like remember and keep up to everything that's happening. Doge Democracy, thank you so much. I look forward to seeing you tomorrow evening. You will be due for work tomorrow, so you're you're off the hook today. But I will be needing your assistance tomorrow evening to keep things a bit more interesting. Doge Democracy, follow tuning in all the way from Australia. Quite a ways away, mate. But thank you for joining me. I know Doge Democracy is probably cracking up. He has truly showed me the way of the Aussie. It looks as though Dogecoin is slightly breaking down this area of 38.5. Doge Democracy, I knew I got it. I knew I got it. I knew you'd be cracking up. Oh, Doge Democracy. Shout out to my co-host. He is all the way across the world. Cryptocurrency brought us together from our thousands of miles of being apart. So shout out to Doge Democracy. I'm very happy he is a part of the Cali Crypto 209 channel. I am still hoping for an entry on Dogecoin. Hopefully around the 32 to 31 cent area. Oh, Doge Democracy, I could come for half an hour, really? You know, I definitely would not disregard your offer. It is not required of you. I am probably going to close things out, actually, pretty soon. So if you wanted to, that'd be like awesome. But I might be actually closing things out pretty soon just with me talking. I don't know if I should leave the live stream up or not, but we'll see. It does seem as though we do get a bit more viewers when the live stream is going longer. But I don't know why, because I tweet so much on Twitter. Like, I post all of my live streams on Twitter, and it should definitely be getting out a lot more than it is. Like, the Doge fam is so large, and they're missing out on all of this great content. So we definitely want the entire, if not the entire Doge fam, to be tuning in for the live streams. It looks as though Dogecoin is trying to tap the 37 cent region again. Excuse me. little bit of a pullback for Dogecoin down to 38.2, but we are still above 38 cents, so don't get too frightened until Dogecoin starts to fall below 38 and 37 cents. Bitcoin is trying to push back up in volume. Dogecoin's volume has decreased from around 184 million in trading volume, still above 100 million, down to 122 million trading volume for Dogecoin. Toast democracy. I don't know how you. I was trying to keep it discreet. Toast democracy. I guess it wasn't. I guess it wasn't that discreet. Oh God, that's hilarious. I was trying to keep it discreet, but Doge Democracy found me out. I know that's probably why I'm like so calm because I have my medicine. I'm just extremely calm. But no, I really think it's because I slept in. Like, I rarely sleep in that late, so my body's just like still tired. Like, even at like 5 o'clock, I'm still tired from just sleeping in. But yes, Doge Democracy, to the moon, to the moon, to the moon for our portfolios, to the moon for our bong hits, and to the moon to Dogecoin. Dogecoin still ranked the number 6 cryptocurrency within the entire crypto market cap. Shout out to Doge Democracy. Doge Democracy has been following my channel all the way from the beginning, and I've had the support of Doge Democracy since my beginning live stream. Which was truly a time to remember. Dogecoin being below 5 cents when I had first started to make live streams. Shout out to Jerry from Meta. And back in the day, Dogecoin live streams, when we had those spikes spike up to 5 and 7 cents. Oh my goodness, those were the days. Those were the days when Dogecoin was hot, and Dogecoin was just being talked about, and I do believe some very, very big time investors were accumulating Dogecoin below 10 cents. And that is why we still have those huge whale wallets for Dogecoin. Do keep in mind that Dogecoin was not pre-mined. So although Dogecoin has a large circulating supply, it was not pre-mined before the cryptocurrency was introduced. So was it Billy Marcus, or I forget, whatever his name was, when he sold all of his tokens, there was no one else holding a large amount of Dogecoins before 2018, 2017. So anyone buying Dogecoin before 2020 was doing it right. They were doing it right, because some or most cryptocurrencies today, before they're introduced, they're pre-mined, which means the creators have the chance to hold billions upon, well, depending on how many tokens there are, but they have a chance to hold a large amount of that circulating supply before it's actually introduced and put onto the cryptocurrency market. So Dogecoin in particular was not pre-mined. So there wasn't a time frame for people to accumulate Dogecoin unless you were accumulating Dogecoin before everyone was talking about it around 2018, 2019, 2020, leading up into 2021 when we had the spike up. Dogecoin did have a spike up to 1 cent, but then it fell back down below 1 cent, and then it was trading below 1 cent for quite some time. So if you did purchase Dogecoin after that nice spike up from 1 cent, you definitely made the right investment choice, as Dogecoin is still up over 500% just within the last month. Within the last 3 months, Dogecoin is nearly up over 1,000% in gains. So had you been dollar cost averaging into Dogecoin instead of dollar cost averaging into Bitcoin, your portfolio would have looked a lot different. I am talking to myself, as I was dollar cost averaging Bitcoin, making the wrong decision and not following the crypto gem, that being Dogecoin. Doge Democracy, I am so sorry I missed your comment. You were thinking about when you were baked on 420 how good Doge is for everyone, not just for the rich and powerful, but for the small French fries like us. Yes, that is true. That is definitely true. Cryptocurrency takes you out of the idea of not having any money, because your money is constantly in motion when you put it in cryptocurrency. So yes, you will have red days, but when you have those green days, it's so rewarding to see that you can take that dirty monetary fiat and buy it for a superior asset, which is cryptocurrency that appreciates your value over time just by holding it. So the longer that you hold your cryptocurrency, the more valuable and precious that cryptocurrency becomes over time. All right, let's check the markets. I have been talking too much, and I seem to have forgotten about the markets. Bitcoin is still above $57,500. Not pushing back to $57,600, but it is trying to push back up to $57,600. Dogecoin at a nice support level of 38.5. This is a critical moment for Dogecoin. If we are correcting below 38.5, we will be having more selling pressure for Dogecoin back down to 37 cents. Trade to travel. Come to my channel and subscribe, and I will do the same. Well, we are hoping for Crypto209 to keep on growing, but shout out to Trade to Travel. No hate in other channels trying to grow their viewers, as I definitely do the same. Shout out to Papa Upshot. I was watching Papa Upshot's channel the other day. Doge Democracy, so I worked out that I was buying Ether at the 29th of May 19th. That's a good thing, Doge Democracy. That's not a bad thing. Buying Ethereum anytime before 2020, if you didn't paper hand, was the best opportunity, as Ethereum was trading around $300 and below just a couple years ago. We all would love to pick up some Ethereum around $300. I know you'd love to pick up some Bitcoin around $300, as Bitcoin is upwards in the realm of $60,000 per token. Ethereum is at $29.94, just $6 away from $3,000. Ethereum is just, okay, Ethereum $29.95. We might be having that run up for Ethereum. It is just $5 away from $3,000. You are watching history being made. There will be documentaries talking about when Ethereum hit $3,000 and when Bitcoin hit $70,000 and when Dogecoin, the meme crypto, hit $1. You are in a moment of history. You are in a moment in time where history is being created. And I'm hopping on that Netflix documentary. Netflix, shout out to Netflix. If you guys are looking to put me in a documentary for cryptocurrency, I would definitely love to be in one of your documentaries. I had tweeted about Netflix doing a documentary for cryptocurrency, so Netflix, I am ready to do a documentary on Dogecoin, as Dogecoin is going to go extremely far. It has a long story to be told, and it needs to be told from someone who has been in the markets since below 1 cent, in the markets at 30 cents, and in the markets at $1. So I'm definitely staying in Dogecoin for as long as I possibly can. If Dogecoin makes it to $1, I will probably buy more Dogecoin because that just indicates that Dogecoin is very, very bullish, and it's just going to increase in value if we actually make it to $1. Doge democracy, but back then I was the king of paper hands, but now I have my license now for diamond hands. Yes, you all need to go and get your license for diamond hands, as if you are driving down the wrong streets and you have paper hands, you will wish that you made a different turn, because diamond handing your cryptocurrency and staying on the road does help to increase your portfolios over time. You want to keep your assets into cryptocurrency for as long as you can, not switching them back to dirty strip club fiat. All right, we hit 3 hours for the live stream. It's like we hit a new all-time high for the markets. 3 hours for the live stream and going, pushing through like Dogecoin. Confirmation for Dogecoin above 38.5. We might be having a nice bullish breakout back to 39 cents. Let's see if this actually is confirmed on the 5-minute chart. I'm actually just pulling up my 5-minute chart because I can't change the charts on the actual screen. Well, we are in a nice uptrend. This could be indication that Dogecoin is making it up to 39 cents, or it could just be a nice fake out breakout. It might not be, because Bitcoin is trying to push $58,000 at 57.6. I'm not too sure, but I think Bitcoin was at $56,000 when I started the live stream. I might have to check back and see where Bitcoin was, but I think Bitcoin was at like 57.1 when I had first, or it was, yeah, Bitcoin was at $56,000 when I had started the live stream. So just within the last hour or 2 hours, Bitcoin has recaptured $57,000, trying to push up to $58,000, and that is why we are still having this bullish uptrend for Dogecoin. Dogecoin tapping 58.7. Thank you so much again to my new subscribers. It just looks so nice to have 50 subscribers. It's like I just need to push through to 50 subscribers for things to be looking good. My channel is growing with the markets, so I am happy that the chart is increasing over some time. Smashing up the like button. Thank you so much. Thank you so much to all you tuning in. Dogecoin family and cryptocurrency alike. We do not hate on any other cryptocurrencies unless they're actually just a really bad S coin. We don't hate on your crypto if you want to join the Dogecoin family. I like what Dogecoin actually said about that. Is that even if you down Dogecoin, even if you've said negative things about Dogecoin, as soon as you purchase Dogecoin and you're in on the Dogecoin train, then you automatically become a part of the Dogecoin fam, and you're just accepted automatically because you own Dogecoin. And that means that you're supporting the movement in financial protest. You're supporting the movement for financial freedom through obtaining your own assets. rather obtaining assets that are going to appreciate in value over time, and not holding assets that are not increasing in value with inflation that is going on and the high price of everything. I am hoping to purchase my own home one day, and at the current moment I cannot buy my own house, but hopefully cryptocurrency and Dogecoin can take my portfolios to much further than where they currently are, and I can allocate those assets into another investment in order to see my my capital continue to grow. I am very interested in real estate and music. I do play violin, so there are plenty of sectors that I am interested into investing into. Dogecoin still at 38.5. We are looking for some nice confirmation that we are holding this trend line of 38 cents. It is May the 2nd, 6 p.m. Pacific time, going into the evening on Sunday. Bitcoin is having a nice run up at $57,600. Ethereum is $4.80 away from $3,000. Ethereum just needs $4 more in order to hit the new all-time high of $3,000. Ethereum basically did hit the all-time high of $3,000. It was at $2,999. So I mean, you can basically call that $3,000. So we're just looking for that confirmation for Ethereum to break out above $3,000. I'm pretty sure it's going to happen. We just have to be a little patient and see what happens. Dogecoin still at 38.5, right at that area of support. We have not broken down. I do think that is in part that Ethereum is trying to make an all-time high, so that does help the altcoin market cap, as well as Bitcoin pushing up to $57,700. History is being made. Ethereum currently at $2,998. Just $2 more for Ethereum to be at $3,000 for one Ethereum. VeChain is still doing really nice, still below 22 cents at 21.8. Binance BNB holding really, really strong at 626. Polygon Matic still above 80 cents, currently at 81 cents. And Cardano ADA is having a nice run up to $1.34. It looks as though Ethereum is making an all-time high. I hope you are enjoying the cryptocurrency markets and Dogecoin. It is a very wonderful time to be in the cryptocurrency markets. So happy to have all of you joining Cali Crypto 209. Let's just sit back and see where Dogecoin is going. Okay, Dogecoin is still below the support of 38.5. Bitcoin did push up to 57.7. Let's see if Ethereum made that $3,000 all-time high. Still below $3,000 at $29.97 for Ethereum. Bitcoin is still at $57,700. And Dogecoin is having that correction below that support level of 38.5. I am still hoping for a nice entry on Dogecoin, but it just seems as though the Dogecoin is not coming back down to earth. So I'm just going to have to be a little bit more patient to make my entry. Thank you for tuning in. This is Crypto209 coming at you with an update for the cryptocurrency markets. It looks as though Bitcoin is trying to tap the $58,000 area. Thank you so much again to my new subscribers. Just means so much to me. We're pushing through 48. Now we're at 50 subscribers. That is just so nice to see. Thank you so much for all your support throughout the time we're going to be spending watching Dogecoin and how far Dogecoin is going to go. I have been invested into Dogecoin for quite some time, so Dogecoin has finally paid off. I was invested below 1 cent for Dogecoin, and I diamond handed my way all the way up to 48 cents. And I am still holding my Dogecoin. Comment, Golden Greaser, Dogecoin to the moon. Yes, Dogecoin to the moon. Thank you so much for joining me. I basically feel as though Dogecoin already has went to the moon, but we definitely have a lot more growth from here. But yes, Dogecoin to the moon. To me, it just seems as though Dogecoin doesn't have any more room to grow because I've been watching Dogecoin since before 1 cent. It was at a fraction of a penny. I purchased Dogecoin at 0.007 and I continued purchasing after that. So it already seems as though we're on the moon just because of how long I've been invested into Dogecoin. But I actually didn't get fully invested into Dogecoin because I was listening to these other YouTubers who were telling me not to purchase Dogecoin. Well, not telling me specifically, but they were telling people out there to not buy Dogecoin because it was a meme crypto and that it didn't have any use case and there's no one behind the project, and it just continues to go on and on and on. But look at Dogecoin now. Those YouTubers who were talking bad about Dogecoin now wish that they have allocated their assets into Dogecoin before it had hit 1 cent. But we can't go back on the future. I'm sorry. We can't go back on the past. We just have to keep pushing forward to the future and hope for better days. And there are going to be many better days within the cryptocurrency markets. Golden Greaser, another comment. I got in at, oh, you got in at 0.003? Yeah, that's awesome. Yeah, that was the time to accumulate because Dogecoin didn't take off until we had the spike up to 9 cents. So it wasn't even the 1 cent spike in back in 2018 or something. It was the spike up to 9 cents that we had earlier this year that really got people into Dogecoin, got the name of Dogecoin out, and that's what in turn helped the Dogecoin go up to 48 cents, which was its all-time high. Thank you, Golden Greaser. Take care. Thank you for joining me. Definitely appreciate your support. All right, a confirmed breakout for Bitcoin at $58,200. Ethereum confirmed breakout above $3,000. Currently trading at $3,020 for Ethereum. Ethereum is having a nice rally up after it broke through $3,000. Litecoin currently at $274, a little bit behind the game. Now I kind of wish I allocated a little more into Ethereum, because Ethereum is moving right now. I do think Bitcoin, just the way Ethereum is moving right now, just like Ethereum just made an all-time high. So Ethereum making an all-time high, I think Bitcoin is about to push up to $60,000 right now. I honestly think that's about to happen. Just the how fast Bitcoin moves, it'll push through $60,000 like nothing. Just how Ethereum looks as though it's trying to push up to 3,100. It's almost at 3,050. Dogecoin still being rejected below 38.5, currently at 38.2 for Dogecoin. But still looking really good for Dogecoin. I mean, we're at 38 cents, so if you're mad about the price of Dogecoin at the current moment, when in doubt, zoom out and look at the 1 week chart. Definitely look at the 1 month chart, because we're still up over 500% for the past month. And the 3 month chart, we're still up over 900%. So Dogecoin having a little bit of a cool off back to 33 and 32 cents is a perfect buying opportunity. I will be looking for another entry on Dogecoin when we make it back down to 32 cents, possibly tapping 30 cents. As the volatility in Dogecoin has just increased tenfold, literally, Dogecoin went from 1 cent to 48 cents. And we increased in price by a few cents, and we also decreased in price by a few cents. So for us to drop back down to 30 cents and hit that floor of 30 cents is very healthy. I would be upping my position for Dogecoin if that does happen. V-Chain up over 22 cents again. I think that is due in part to Ethereum breaking over $3,000. This is history being made. I don't have the Ethereum chart up, but maybe I should put the Ethereum chart up. Let's see if I could get the chart for Ethereum up. We'll diversify our charts just a little bit. If anything, I probably should have put Bitcoin up there, but we'll put Ethereum since it is making a new all-time high, percentage-wise, outdoing Bitcoin. Definitely, percentage-wise, Dogecoin outdid Bitcoin just from the beginning of this year, up almost 1,000%. Had you purchased Bitcoin a couple of years ago, you would have been up a couple thousand%, but that isn't the case for most, as a lot are just getting into the cryptocurrency markets. That is okay, as there is still a lot of room to grow. Alright, let me see if I can get this ETH chart up here. Maybe I should use Binance.us, because Binance.us looks better than TradingView, and TradingView keeps having this dang ad. Alright, give me just a moment. I'm going to try and put that chart up, because Ethereum is looking very, very bullish right now. Ethereum just completely toppled my price projection of $3,000. It just blew past it. They were seriously trying to keep Ethereum below $3,000, because for it to just shoot past up to 3030, like, that's just 3032 was the high. Like, it's just crazy. Market cap of Ethereum is still 330 billion, is that? Yeah, things are just looking super, super bullish. Okay, yeah, let me get this up here. Binance BNB at 628, just around 14 or so dollars away from its all-time high. Yeah, maybe I'll just alternate my charts ever so often. Darn it. Thank you so much for tuning in. This is Cali Crypto 209, where we bring you updates on the cryptocurrency markets. I stream Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. In the evenings, my co-host is located in a different time zone, so we do alternating times, so I can have my co-host on the live stream. All right, ETH. We got ETH up. Look at that. We can even see the order book for ETH. Yeah, that looks good. That looks really good. Maybe I should try and get a... Well, no, that's fine. I won't put a Bitcoin up there too. We all know that Bitcoin is going to go up. We don't have to put the chart up for Bitcoin. But Ethereum does kind of determine where the rest of the altcoins are going, because it is the biggest altcoin. XRP being the biggest altcoin behind Ethereum. Well, I guess you could say Binance BNB is the biggest behind Ethereum, but for its what everyone knows about, it's XRP and then Dogecoin. So Dogecoin still ranked number 6 cryptocurrency within the entire market. It's truly amazing. Truly amazing to hold a part of the future. Look at that nice upswing for Ethereum. It just looks so nice. Ethereum is very, very bullish. Let me see if I can zoom in on that. Yeah, I kind of still want to see the volume. There we go. There we go. That's good. Ethereum cracked $3,000. This is an all-time high for Ethereum. The markets are moving. Dogecoin had its day yesterday, so you definitely have to be patient in the price movements of your cryptocurrency. We have a nice run up, but we also are going to have a pretty nice run down for a correction and area of consolidation. But things are still looking very, very bullish for the cryptocurrency markets. Dogecoin currently at 38.2, trying to push back up to that support level of 38.5. Ethereum still over $3,000 for one Ethereum. Bitcoin is above $58,000. I believe when I had initially started this live stream podcast, Bitcoin was at $56,000. We were at $56,800 for Bitcoin, and now Bitcoin is at $58,000. So we just had a $2,000 spike up for Bitcoin, and that is why the markets are currently moving upwards. Cardano ADA is at $1.34. Solana is still having a little bit of a pullback at $47, but still looking good. XLM currently trading at 56 cents, doing pretty good for XLM if you are invested into different cryptocurrencies. It is good to diversify your portfolio. I do hold Uniswap, Unitoken as well at $43.50. Maker token above $5,000 for one Maker token, currently at $52.85. I actually do own some Maker tokens, so I am probably up on my investment. For Maker, I did not check. Maker is the second Ethereum token in a way, so Maker is going to have a very nice increase along with Ethereum. Ethereum is just a little bit behind. I honestly think Ethereum should be at $5,000 and Maker should be at $3,000. Excuse my voice. I have been live streaming for quite some time, so my voice is kind of giving out for the night. I hope your portfolios are in the green. My portfolios are definitely in the green. From Ethereum, as well as from these other altcoins. Maker, I'm up in the green for Maker token. Maker token is just pushing through 52.80. It's just, wow, it's really moving up. I hope you are enjoying the markets for Cali Crypto 209. The Dogecoin is still below that area of support of 38.5. Currently trading at 38.42. Ethereum, of course, is still above $3,000. Making that all-time high of $3,000 for Ethereum did not seem too difficult. But I'm very happy that Ethereum pushed through. The markets are looking very, very nice, so do take caution to corrections, as having nice increases in the market does ensure that we are going to have a correction pretty soon. So I am waiting for that pullback to time my investments correctly and make an entry on a nice trade. But Dogecoin definitely has to pull back to 38.5 in order for us to confirm that Dogecoin is going to push up to 39 cents. All right, looking very bullish still. Bitcoin still above $58,000. Currently at 58.1. Ethereum at $3,026. Dogecoin 38.4, still below 39 cents. VeChain 22 cents, still holding above 22 cents. Very good for VeChain. Polygon Matic still up above 81 cents. I got an entry on Polygon at 35 cents. So I'm doing quite well on my Polygon Matic. Ravencoin having a nice 9% or 7% increase up to 19 cents for Ravencoin. I know a lot of people are conversing about Ravencoin. Hedera hash grab at 33 cents, up 6%. And we already mentioned XLM Stellar Lumens. Chainlink is still above $40. If you are looking to earn that passive income on your cryptocurrency, the link is in the description to sign up for a BlockFi account. You can earn interest from BlockFi loaning out those securities that you hold in your BlockFi account. So if you deposit a certain amount of cryptocurrency, then you get accrued interest paid out in that same cryptocurrency. So look into a BlockFi account if you are looking to earn more cryptocurrency. Dogecoin trying to pull back to that support level of 38.5. Let's see if there's not too much of a rejection. Jimmy says holding 31,000, selling a few at $1. Definitely take profits when you feel the need to. I have been in Dogecoin since below 1 cent. I bought in at a fraction of a cent for Dogecoin, and I am still holding. I believe if we make it to $1, I probably will be purchasing more Dogecoin if we are bullish and pushing up to $1. So you are selling, and I will be purchasing your Dogecoin at $1. Don't get me wrong, taking profits are a very good thing to do if you are up hundreds of percent. I'm still up, well up over 400%, but I'm not taking profits. I definitely want to see where Dogecoin can play out these next couple of years. I do think that we're going to go pretty far for Dogecoin, as we have Elon Musk, Fate Loves Irony, and the meme cryptocurrency already ranked number 6 out of hundreds of other cryptocurrencies. You can definitely see that Dogecoin is here to stay. Ethereum with an all-time high today. Doing quite well for Ethereum. I believe that all-time high was 30.34 for Ethereum. A comment from Jimmy. Just a little, I'm buying more Ethereum. Yeah, Jimmy, definitely do that. If you were up hundreds of percent, that is the smart thing to do, is to take some of that out if you're up a lot and put it into another cryptocurrency that is moving quite well. So putting it into Ethereum, putting it into Bitcoin, you definitely could not go wrong doing that. Also staking coins, staking cryptocurrencies. You could also utilize your profits with staking. Oh, darn it, I'll just leave it there. Binance BNB at $630. I am holding Binance BNB. But yeah, that was a great point, Jimmy, because I'm actually still in a trade. I'm waiting for another entry point, but Dogecoin is biting my face off, and it's just taking off to the moon. So I have to wait until Dogecoin has a nice correction. I am looking for the 32 cents region to make my to enter on my position once again. But that is after a pretty hard correction that we're going to have hopefully coming up within the next few days to ensure that the bull market continues. Definitely have to kick out those paper hands and accumulate as much cryptocurrency as you possibly can. There's going to be a nice switch from dirty fiat into utilizing cryptocurrency and its digital superiority. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. Crypto209 updates the cryptocurrency markets every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. I do have a co-host, but I am going solo today just because the markets were in a little bit of an uptrend. Of course, Ethereum made an all-time high, so I did catch Ethereum's all-time high on the live review podcast. So I'm pretty excited that I am in a moment of history for Ethereum. As the mass adoption for cryptocurrency has only just begun. We are still in the beginning stages of how far cryptocurrency can go from here. So I definitely got prepared on where things are going. That would be around the time that Bitcoin consumes that market cap of gold, passing $10 trillion and holding above there, just consuming everything in its path. Bitcoin definitely likes to take everyone's money and just keeps on increasing in value. So as more and more people start to utilize cryptocurrency, then the more that the market cap will continue to increase overall. I believe we're still up above over $2 trillion for the cryptocurrency market cap. Dogecoin still being ranked number 6 cryptocurrency in the entire world. That is quite the title to hold for a meme cryptocurrency. I definitely think the help from Ellen DeGeneres and Mark Cuban when he talked about Dogecoin and it on the Ellen show, that gave quite a lot of limelight to Dogecoin. A lot of people still do not understand what cryptocurrency is. Like, it's crazy to think that these no-coiners are missing out on probably the best financial movement you can ever be in. There's definitely going to be a lot of action happening within the cryptocurrency markets. All right, a little bit of a pullback after that run up for Ethereum. Still above $3,000. Hopefully Ethereum does not fall below $3,000. Keep in mind that corrections for the market are normal, and Ethereum back below $3,000 will happen. So just because Ethereum passed over $3,000, do not expect Ethereum to stay above $3,000 for all eternity. Cryptocurrencies do have areas of consolidation and a cool-off moment, and then they have a nice run-up afterwards. This is what we are experiencing for Dogecoin. I believe Dogecoin is in a cool-off moment, still up by a lot, but Dogecoin is currently in a cool-off moment. So leading up to Saturday Night Live with Elon Musk, Dogecoin probably will be having a nice spike before then. Still struggling to hold support. We are looking for 38.5 down to 37 cents for Dogecoin. If we are dropping below 37 cents, that would mean that Dogecoin is getting a little more bearish and we are going to have a correction. And a correction just means the perfect dip buying opportunity and for you to accumulate more cryptocurrency. Last weekend was really good. Of course, for Dogecoin, pushing through that 30-cent trend line. But Dogecoin at 38 cents is a little bit overbought. And that's why I did want to point out those pullbacks that we might have. right, so wrapping things up, this was a very good update for the market. We had an all-time high for Ethereum, over $3,000. Bitcoin pushed through $58,000, and Dogecoin still trying to hold at 38 cents. So tomorrow evening, I am coming back with another live stream. Doge Democracy will be joining me tomorrow evening, so stay tuned for that. Thank you so much for watching. Kelly Crypto 209.